Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Some car gadgets may look exciting but fail to deliver real value. The best car gadgets on Amazon 2026 are designed to solve everyday driving challenges, making your vehicle safer, cleaner, smarter, and more comfortable. Featuring innovative technology, strong materials, and practical designs, these accessories can upgrade your driving experience without purchasing a new car. Whether you drive daily or enjoy road trips, these useful gadgets are worth exploring. Find all product links in the video description. This is a car seat fan for driver and back seat, designed to deliver extra cooling airflow inside cars for drivers, passengers, and pets. Featuring a powerful turbo engine, 3-speed settings, and a flexible wide-angle air outlet, it improves air circulation and comfort. The USB-powered design provides safe and reliable use while helping reduce heat, moisture, dust, smoke, and odors inside the vehicle. Compact, portable, and efficient, this fan is a perfect choice for a cooler and fresher driving experience every day. This is a wireless CarPlay adapter for Apple iPhone, designed to convert wired CarPlay systems into a convenient wireless driving solution. It offers quick auto connect, smooth access to navigation, music, Siri, calls, and messages without cables. Featuring an advanced processor, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3, it provides fast and stable performance. The durable aluminum alloy body improves heat control and longevity. With easy plug-and-play installation, this compact adapter upgrades your driving experience. Enjoy smarter, safer, and more comfortable journeys with this practical CarPlay upgrade. This is a car seat gap filler organizer you use between car seats and the center console to prevent items from falling and keep your vehicle organized. The Give a 5 gap filler offers smart storage for phones, keys, and cards while also working as a hanging organizer. Its 180-degree flip design provides two stylish looks for different preferences. Made with flexible high-density foam, it protects your car interior, stays secure with a seatbelt slot, and is easy to clean. A perfect choice for drivers who want a cleaner, safer, and more organized car interior. This is a 70mm 4K dash cam front and rear used in cars to record driving footage, improve safety, and provide accident evidence. This advanced dash camera captures true 4K front and 1080p rear videos with Sony Starvis 2 sensors for clear details day and night. It features AI motion detection, collision recording, 24/7 parking surveillance, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Optional 4G access allows remote monitoring and real-time alerts through the app. Perfect for road trips, daily driving, and vehicle protection. This dash cam is a smart investment for safer journeys and complete peace of mind. This is a Sasimoto dip clip, an in-car sauce holder designed to keep ketchup and dipping sauces easily accessible while driving. Its smart 5-in-1 design securely holds sauce cups from popular food chains and includes a reusable sauce cup for extra convenience. The vent-friendly clip fits vertical, horizontal, and diagonal air vents, keeping sauces stable even on bumpy roads. It helps prevent spills and messy car snacks while making every bite easier. Perfect for fry lovers, nugget fans, and anyone who enjoys dipping on the go. Sasimoto makes car meals cleaner, easier, and more enjoyable. This is a MagSafe Car Mount charger is a smart in-car wireless charger and magnetic phone holder designed to keep your iPhone securely mounted while charging on the road. Featuring Qi 2 certification, 25 watts fast charging, and AI cooling technology, it delivers safer, faster, and more stable power while protecting battery health. Its strong magnetic grip and temperature control make it ideal for daily driving. Upgrade your car with a reliable charging solution built for convenience and modern lifestyles. By link available at the end. This is a UA magnetic wireless backup camera designed for trailers, trucks, RVs, farm equipment, and hitch alignment. Its strong magnetic mount attaches quickly to flat metal surfaces, while Wi-Fi connectivity provides real-time video directly to iPhone and Android devices. The camera features a built-in battery, 150 degrees viewing angle, and 9 infrared LEDs with up to 30 feet night vision. For reliable operation, enable local network permission, disable VPNs, and keep the phone within 30 feet. Charge the camera while powered off and avoid quick chargers. With easy installation and clear monitoring, it is a practical choice for safer reversing, towing, and trailer positioning. This is a sunroof tablet holder mount for car, designed for secure tablet use on dashboards, windshields, sunroofs, and windows in cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and vans. Built with durable aviation-grade aluminum alloy, it offers stronger, longer-lasting support than standard plastic holders. Its high-absorption TPU suction cup and double hidden lock design help prevent shaking or falling. The adjustable dual arm structure features 360 degrees rotation and flexible ball joints for easy positioning without blocking your view. Ideal for navigation, music, or hands-free entertainment, this sturdy tablet mount is a smart choice for safer, more convenient travel. This is a right-line gear Moki car doorstep, a folding vehicle step designed for cars, SUVs, and trucks to provide easy access to the roof for loading cargo. Its patented wide platform allows both feet to stand comfortably, helping maintain balance without using bulky ladders or stools. The universal fit design attaches securely to U-shaped door latches on front or rear doors, making it ideal for loading roof bags, kayaks, bikes, skis, and other equipment. A protective rubber bumper and coated hook help prevent vehicle damage, while the compact foldable design allows easy storage. A practical accessory for anyone needing safer and simpler roof access. This is a Tire Kicker Extra Glossy Tire Shine Spray, a premium tire dressing product used to enhance the appearance of car tires with a smooth, glossy finish. This 16 ounces spray allows adjustable shine levels from satin to deep wet gloss by controlling application layers. The included Wonder Wave Foam applicator follows tire curves for even coverage without buildup. It helps create a clean, show-ready look while improving tire appearance after proper cleaning. For car enthusiasts who want professionally detailed tires with a stunning finish, this Tire Shine Spray is an excellent choice for a polished vehicle look. This is an emergency escape tool, a compact safety device used inside vehicles for emergency situations like crashes, rollovers, or water emergencies. This 2-in-1 tool combines a tungsten double-head window hammer and a sharp seatbelt cutter for quick escape when needed. The 1800H V-hardened hammer provides strong impact performance, while the bright orange handle ensures a secure grip and easy visibility. It comes with a protective bracket for safe storage in your car. For added peace of mind and vehicle safety preparation, this emergency escape tool is a smart choice every driver should keep within reach. This is a battery-powered fan for car, a portable cooling device designed for use on car visors, roof handles, and back seats. This rechargeable fan features a 180 degrees foldable head and 360 degrees rotation, allowing customized airflow without blocking your driving view. Its 2000 mAh battery provides up to 8 hours of cooling, with Type-C charging for continuous use. The strong silicone-covered clip keeps it securely attached without scratches, even on bumpy roads. With 3-speed settings and a quiet brushless motor, it delivers powerful airflow while maintaining a peaceful environment. For a comfortable and refreshing drive in hot weather, this compact car fan is an excellent choice for every vehicle. This is a long-handle wheel brush kit, a complete car detailing set designed for cleaning wheel rims, tires, lug nuts, and hard-to-reach areas. This brush kit includes soft plush brushes for delicate rim surfaces, a detailing brush for lug nut spaces, and a stiff tire brush for removing tough dirt. Its metal-free design and soft synthetic fibers help prevent scratches, while the comfortable silicone grip provides better control. The flexible 360-degree bendable design allows easy cleaning of hidden areas. Thick fibers absorb cleaning liquids effectively for powerful results. For effortless wheel maintenance and a spotless car appearance, this reliable cleaning kit is a perfect choice for every car owner. This is an Apato torque wrench designed for automotive repairs, mechanical work, and precise tightening of bolts and fasteners. This reliable tool features a durable chrome vanadium steel alloy ratchet head with a corrosion-resistant satin finish for long-lasting performance. Its high-contrast dual-range scale assures easy reading, while the pre-calibrated accuracy of 4% delivers dependable results. The knurled handle provides a secure non-slip grip, and the included 1/2 Drive 5 extension bar adds versatility. A sturdy storage case keeps the wrench protected and organized, with its clear click sound indicating the preset torque value. This torque wrench is an essential choice for anyone who needs accuracy, durability, and professional quality performance. This is a Naderness rooftop tent hardshell designed for SUVs and vehicles to create a comfortable mobile sleeping space for camping and outdoor adventures. Built with a lightweight ABS hardshell, aluminum frame, honeycomb insulation panels, and weather-resistant fabric, it protects against wind, rain, and extreme temperatures. The spacious 82.7 x 63-inch interior, 1.97-inch supportive mattress, and blackout fabric provide a relaxing sleep experience for up to 2 adults and 1 child. It also includes roof crossbars for carrying lightweight gear like solar panels, skis, or bikes. With a quick 30-second setup, this rooftop tent is the perfect choice for travelers seeking comfort, convenience, and freedom in every adventure. This is a roof rack basket with extension and net designed for SUVs and pickup trucks to carry extra luggage, camping gear, tools, and oversized cargo. This heavy-duty cargo carrier provides up to 150 pounds capacity and helps maximize vehicle storage space for comfortable journeys. Made from high-strength steel with a durable powder-coated finish, it offers excellent rust and corrosion resistance. The reinforced bottom bars, high side rails, and wind fairing improve stability while reducing wind noise and drag. It fits existing crossbars up to 1.38 thick and includes a cargo net for secure loading. Perfect for road trips, camping, and outdoor adventures. This roof rack basket is a smart upgrade for anyone needing more space, durability, and convenience on every trip. This is an adjustable truck bed roll bar designed for pickup trucks to enhance bed protection, cargo organization, and off-road style. This versatile roll bar offers a universal fit for most truck beds with an adjustable 55 to 63 tubing design, allowing easy installation without drilling. Its bolt-on setup works with or without factory bed rail systems and provides a secure, rattle-free fit. Built from durable stainless steel, it resists rust, corrosion, and UV damage while adding strength and a rugged appearance. The integrated chase rack supports tools and gear, includes light bar brackets, and is compatible with tri-fold tonneau covers. With its aerodynamic low-profile design, it helps reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency. Upgrade your truck with this practical and stylish roll bar for better performance, utility, and a bold look on every journey. This is a ceramic spray wax for cars designed to protect and enhance the shine of vehicle paint surfaces with advanced SiO2 ceramic protection. It provides deep gloss, smooth touch, and strong hydrophobic protection with an easy spray-on and wipe-off formula. This ceramic sealant helps improve water beading, paint clarity, and surface slickness between washes. Simply spray on a clean surface, spread evenly, and buff for a streak-free professional finish. Perfect for daily drivers and car enthusiasts, it keeps your vehicle looking freshly detailed. Choose this ceramic spray wax for effortless protection, long-lasting shine, and a premium showroom appearance. This is a top-of-bite neck pillow headdress designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, and sports seats to provide comfortable neck support while driving. Its ergonomic curved design helps reduce neck pressure and driving fatigue, offering a relaxed and safer journey. Made with premium rebound memory foam, it provides soft, durable, and supportive comfort while quickly recovering its shape after use. The pillow also helps protect your neck during sudden braking or acceleration. With adjustable straps, easy installation, removal, and a washable zipper cover, it is a perfect car interior accessory. Upgrade your driving comfort today with this practical and supportive neck pillow. This is a car gimbal stabilizer designed for professional vehicle photography and video shooting with DSLR cameras and DJI Ronin series stabilizers. It delivers smooth, stable footage from multiple angles, including front, side, and rear vehicle shots. Featuring 4 upgraded IMT suction cups, each supports up to 10 kilograms and provides reliable attachment for up to 8 hours without reinflation. Its advanced air shock absorption, hinge spring damping, suspension damping, and TCA systems ensure excellent stability on different road conditions. Perfect for filmmakers, photographers, and automotive enthusiasts, this stabilizer is a must-have tool for creating high-quality, shake-free car videos. This is a LED car wheel light designed for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, SUVs, trucks, and vehicles with American-style tire valves. These colorful valve cap lights improve nighttime visibility and create an attractive glowing wheel effect while driving. They are waterproof for rainy or snowy conditions, made from durable plastic, and feature USB recharging with a full charge in about 20 minutes. Installation is quick and tool-free. Simply attach them to the tire valve stem. With automatic flashing during movement, these lights add both safety and style. A smart, affordable upgrade for anyone who wants safer, brighter, and more eye-catching rides. This is a real-time GPS tracker device designed for personal cars, family vehicles, and fleet management. It provides live location updates, unlimited trip history, route details, speed monitoring, hard braking alerts, and driving insights. The OBD2 tracker also monitors engine diagnostics and can alert you to potential maintenance problems. Geofencing notifications and accident detection add extra safety, while detailed trip records make vehicle management easier. Installation is simple on most vehicles from 1996 onward, with a $9.65 monthly subscription. A practical choice for anyone wanting better vehicle security, safety, and control. This is a windshield sunshade umbrella designed to protect your car interior from intense sunlight and heat. Its dual-layer 240T fabric with vinyl and silver coating helps keep the cabin cooler while blocking over 99% of harmful UVA and UVB rays. With an 85.4% heat insulation rate, UPF 50+ protection, military-grade materials, and flexible spring-supported ribs, it offers strong durability and reliable coverage. It also helps prevent dashboard cracking, seat fading, and interior aging. A smart, practical choice for drivers who want lasting comfort and better protection during hot summer days. This is a Lamicall car headrest tablet holder, designed to securely hold tablets on a car headrest for comfortable back seat entertainment. Its unique biaxial extension arm lets you adjust viewing distance and angle, while the sturdy metal crossbar improves stability during driving. Anti-slip rubber pads help protect your device from scratches and slipping. Installation takes only a few seconds with no tools required, and the 360 degrees rotating ball provides flexible viewing angles. For families, kids, or long road trips, this practical tablet holder is a convenient upgrade worth considering.